Dan the Natural Man Show. Hey everyone, it's Sunday morning, 9:23 in my world. I know some of you may be at church right now, and the weather here it's not raining. At least yesterday it was cold, and you know when you get those days where it just drizzles all day, just drizzly rain mixed with a cold wind, and it's just bone chilling. So it was cold yesterday when I had to go to the woods, but that went well anyway. So I'm going to start a new playlist on prostate health. When I talk about prostate health, we're going to talk about things that can help prevent prostate cancer and things that can help us prevent and treat enlarged prostate. Because look guys, if you're over 40, we can start to have trouble with enlarged prostate. And you'll know this because you'll have to go and get up at night a lot more to go pee. And when you do go pee, it can be harder to pee because you can get some dribble, because the prostate gland, when it enlarges, it presses on the urethra and it makes the opening smaller. So we're going to start today with this video about flax seeds and what they found that flax seeds can do for our prostate health, specifically cancer and hyperplasia, so they call it enlarged prostate. So the study is effects of dietary flaxseed lignans extract. This is an extract on symptoms of benign prostate hyperplasia. They used a flaxseed extract containing 33% diglycosides. It was evaluated for its ability to alleviate lower urinary tract symptoms, which means they don't have to pee as much. They used it in 87 subjects with benign prostatic hyperplasia. It was a randomized and double-blind placebo-controlled clinical trial for 4 months. So what they found was, at the end of the study, the conclusion was that dietary flaxseed lignan extract apparently improves LUTS, and LUTS is lower urinary tract symptoms, in BPH subjects, and the therapeutic efficacy appeared comparable to that of commonly used interventions agents of alpha-1A adrenoceptor blockers and 5-alpha reductase inhibitors. So it worked as well as some of these pharmaceutical drugs that they have. Now in this study they used a tincture. If you watch, I have videos showing you how to make tinctures. That would be simple. Just get flax seeds. I would get probably a pound of flax seeds. Throw it into my blender, fill it with vodka, blend it up, put it in a clean jar, shake it 2 or 3 times a day, let it sit for 2 weeks, strain it, and you should have a good tincture. But you can also add flax seeds to your diet. The thing about flax seeds though is you cannot digest them when they are in their whole form. Your body cannot digest these tiny flax seeds. What you have to do is get a coffee grinder or one of those, NutriBullets with the milling blade, and grind these flax seeds up into a powder. That way your body can actually absorb them and you get some benefit. You can add these to your oatmeal, you can add these to smoothies. I have a Vitamix in it. I put them in smoothies and it just blends them up with the bananas because it's a strong blender. If you can afford it, I recommend getting a Vitamix. It's so versatile. It lasts for a really long time. It's like it can grind pretty much anything. So there's another study I found. It's an oncology nutrition study. Flax seeds and prostate cancer is found that flax seeds, let's see, let me find the page. Flax seeds can help reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Also, if you already have prostate cancer, it can help slow down tumor growth. There was a study done, I think it was Dr. Dean Ornish. He used a group with the low-fat diet and flax seeds, and they had cancer. There was a study of guys that had cancer, and a lot of the guys, it completely slowed the growth of the cancer. It stopped in its tracks. Here we go. However, there's some research. There's research on how eating flax seeds can affect prostate tumor growth in men who have the disease, and blood levels of a substance called prostate-specific antigen in men who eat this food. Okay, PSA levels and prostate cancer tumor aggressiveness. Clinical trials in men who already have prostate cancer or who have prostate neoplasm. Prostate neoplasm is a condition that is believed to be a precursor to prostate cancer. This means if left untreated, it can lead to prostate cancer. These studies give us the best evidence that flax seeds may help men with prostate cancer because they have collected blood samples and prostate tumor tissue samples both before and after flax seeds in the diet. This type of approach allows researchers to see whether flax seeds have any observable effects on how prostate cancer improves growth, or on how prostate cancer tumors grow in men. These studies have suggested that flax seeds may reduce levels of prostate-specific antigen, if PSA remains low, this is an indication that treatment is working to prevent the tumor from growing and spreading. They also found that adding flax seeds to the diet reduced tumor proliferation and the study group. So there you have it, guys. I use flax seeds every day. I put them in my smoothies usually. I usually have a daily smoothie. And I put them in there because prostate problems run in my family, and they also may run in your family. And unfortunately, the older we get, the more likely we are to get a increase in the prostate if we do some of these lifestyle changes and use some of these herbs I'm going to talk about in this series. We can greatly prevent our chances of developing the prostate problems. So there you have it, guys. The first food in this series is going to be flax seeds, okay? You can make a tincture, you can grind them and eat them. So if you like this video, please like it and share it. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out my page, danthenaturalman.com. And remember, until next time, keep it natural.